Hello guys, we'll be seeing the card, so oh my gosh. It fell. Here is GD cheerleader. Next, oh my gosh, its head fell again. Let's fix it. Yeah. It's so part 1. Short is very short. But I have a question. I'll just tell it in the next video. So this one, yeah. Come on, I have to do it. Here, X5 family. Next one, I forgot there was like this one. Shaka from Pop Mart. All of them are from. Tadan, this is Float. I'll give the question in the next video. Bye.